Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the problem when Forza Horizon 5 is not launching properly on our Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. First you need to ensure your graphics card driver is up to date. If you are using an NVIDIA graphics card, then I suggest you to install the GeForce Experience application. AMD users can make use of AMD Raiden application. You just need to open up the GeForce Experience and go to the drivers tab, and you just need to click on check for updates, and if any available updates are there, you just need to update it guys. After updating your graphics card driver, proceed to update your OS. All you have to do is right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select Windows Update. Click on check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, you just need to update it guys. After getting update done, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. And in some cases, corrupted or missing game files can cause launch issues with Forza Horizon 5. All you have to do is right click on the start icon and select installed apps. In search apps, you just need to search for the Forza Horizon 5. After getting the Forza Horizon 5, you just need to click on this three dot icon. For example, I am just doing in camera. Just need to click on the three dot icon in the Forza Horizon 5 and select advanced options. You just need to scroll down, select the repair option guys. This will help you to verify and replace any missing or corrupted files. After finishing this, close it off here. When you are using the Steam version of the game, you just need to head over to the Steam application. Go to the library tab. In here you just need to right click on the Forza Horizon 5. For example, I just clicking on this game guys. You just need to right click on the Forza Horizon 5 and select properties and select installed files. Verify these game files are installed correctly. Click on verify integrity of game files. Wait for it until this done. After getting this done, you just need to close it off here. And before launching Forza Horizon 5, you just need to right click on the start icon and select display settings. You just need to make sure you were set to the display settings to the recommended one. All you have to do is under the scale and layout, you just need to set this drop down and set the recommended one guys, and the display resolution, click on the drop down and select the recommended one if you are having it. And after doing it, you can open Forza Horizon 5 without any problems guys. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.